My name is Natalie. It's my husband Corey. We are building our own home. We started demoing last year, and it's been tough, but it's been a great process. It's been a lot of fun.
We get the opportunity to choose every finish and every feature to the house, so we're excited to work with HomeWrights because of that. With regular home builders, you don't have that opportunity. You don't know where your money's going. So with them, I know where every penny's going, and that's exciting to us.
We pay them a consulting fee, and they come out here every week and talk with us and walk us through and answer any questions we have. And then we work with the subs directly. We go and pick out all the finishes ourselves. We started doing that probably about a year before we demoed, so we were pretty prepared for it. We knew what we wanted to do. We had pictures, we had everything pulled together. And then working with Justin's been great. So we meet with him every week, every Friday, and for about an hour or two. And we walk the site and we help troubleshoot any issues we have, and we have total control over which subs we want to use, and we interview the subs beforehand. So we feel like we're getting the best deal. We feel like we're getting the best craftsmanship. Right. And with other builders, we were working with another builder before, and everything was, oh, that's an upgrade. We'll have to see. We'll have to get back to you on that. You don't know the subs. You don't know what they're
more of a production builder.
Builders.
These guys are more custom home builders, and you just have more input, and you have more say in what you want to put into the house and what you don't want to put into the house. So
have you done this before?
We have not done this before.
We've not done the custom. Went through a home builder just from a
semi-custom
production, but we still just didn't have any input. We weren't really allowed on site, and here we're here any day we want to be here, and we have the input every single day.